the Catholic Church social teaching inspiring such as Pope John Paul G, etc. Here basically guys we have to be see in our constitution of India we can see that earlier example to create to for the more clarity between distributive justice is that earlier in India it's practiced on untouchable people. Untouchability means that to promote social equality, to abolish the untouchability. Untouchability means that people those who belong to lower caste they have not occupied or not get equal status, respect and facilities as the rich or upper class people. They have no, they denote as the lower caste people, and they have not access to temples, jobs and basic necessities like water and so many other things. So different state governments have also taken some measures to redistribute important resources like land in a more fair manner by instituting land reforms. So in this topic we get to know about that there are different opinions for distributed resources, and to ensure that every individual, look guys, we are living in a society, so it's our basic right that the government should provide us each and every facility for our growth and development. So similarly there also people believe the future of themselves and their families may be at stakes. At stake means at risk, in danger. We have only to remind ourselves about the anger and even violence which has sometimes been raised by proposal to reserve seats in education institution by the government employment in country. A student of a political theory, as a student you must know about that, examine the issue involved in terms to understanding of the principles of justice. Can scheme to help the disadvantaged by justified in terms of theory of justice? In the next section we will discuss the theory of just distribution put forward by the well-known political philosopher John Rawls. Rawls has argued that there could indeed be a rational justification for acknowledging the need to provide help to at least the privileged people. So next module, John Rawls theory of justice. Here we have to be discussed about if people are, we can say that if people are choose to kind of society in which they would like to live, they are likely to choose one in which the rules and organizations of society or allot them privileged position. Clear? So here in this John Rawls theory we get to know about that how people can live there and what type of problems they have faced in terms think of all this. Now come to page number next of good society, especially if they believe that their decision is going to have an limit, then what type limit, especially if they believe that their decision, good society, especially if they believe that their decision is going to have an impact on the kind of life and opportunities their children will have in the future. Indeed, we often expect parents to think of and support what is best for their children, but such perspectives cannot form the basis of theory of justice for a society. So how do we reach a decision that would be both fair and just? This we get to know the answer through this wheel of ignorance, a theory made by John Rawls, in which we get this answer. Here one question is, what is wheel of ignorance? This we get to know from this module. Here firstly John Rawls has tried to answer this question. He argues that the only way we can arrive at a fair and just rule is if we imagine ourselves to be in a situation in which we have to make decisions about how society should be organized and which type of position we would ourselves occupy in that society. Look guys, when a child born in a family, that child is ignorant, they don't know that in which family they have to take birth, whether they belong to upper caste or lower caste, whether they are rich or poor, whether they belong to Hindu religion or Muslim religion or Sikh religion. All these things are the natural. That it means that also argue that if we do not know in this sense who we will be and what options would be available to us in the future society, we will be likely to spot a decision about the rules and organizations of that future society, which would be fair for all the members. Here he describes this as thinking under a wheel of ignorance. Wheel of ignorance is a method of determining the morality of issues. It asks a decision maker to make a choice about a social or moral issue and assume that they have enough information to know the consequences, means result of their possible decisions. Everybody, when we have to take any decision, we must know about what type of things we have to be considered. Everyone but would not know or would not take into account which person they are. The theory contends that not knowing one's ultimate position in society would be position in society would be led to the creation of a just system, as the decision maker would not want to make decisions which benefit a certain group at the expense of another, because the decision maker could theoretically end up in either group. The idea has been present in moral philosophy at least since the 18th century. The wheel of ignorance is a part of a long tradition of thinking in terms of a social contract that includes the writing of Immanuel Kant, Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Thomas Jefferson. Prominent modern names attached to it are so many. So here it means that if we do not know who we will be and what options would be available to us in future society, we would support to those rules and organizations of future society to be fair for all members. So here through this cartoon we can say why do they say justice delayed, justice denied? Because if a decision in a dispute, conflict, any problem occurred, for example in a society, two people go to court, knock the door of court, but the person who is suffered, injured person, may not receive any benefit from the judicial proceedings at the time of their birth. After death, what type of justice they have? It means that justice delayed means justice denied. Quickly we want the decision, quickly we want the justice. After one person lost his life, what is the logic of that justice to that? So the thing is that in this proper module, the John give main focus on that no one knows who would be and what is going to benefit him. Each will envisage the future society from the point of view of the worst off. It will be dear to a person who can reason and think for himself that those who are born privileged will enjoy certain privileges, means special rights. If some people are born in disadvantaged section, they will make sense of ensuring reasonable opportunities to the weaker section considered as the lower caste, like untouchables at that time period, women also known as the weaker section, and SC/ST. So the efforts would be made to make important resources available like education, health, shelter. These are the basic rights, and on these facilities every person has claim, every person has right to demand from the government to fulfill all these basic necessities. It is not easy to erase our identities and to imagine oneself about wheel of ignorance. Ignorance means when we not take the things in that manner, when we are aware about the things, clear. And wheel means that when we cover ourselves. In another word, veil means that when a lady cover her face with the help of any sari or scarf. So here it means, according to political term, John Rawls theory, wheel of ignorance means when one cannot get aware about the things, but then it is equally difficult to be self-sacrificing and to share good fortune, destiny with strangers. Hence, given these human failings and limitations, it would be better to think of a framework that does not need extraordinary actions. So it expect wheel of ignorance through this John Rawls argue and expect the people to think for themselves and select what they consider to be in their interest. all these things means that they have to be know about the future society. There should be equality among in it. So here we have to be discussed about this. In examples also there are mentioned about the norms, morality, all these things we have been studied here. So well guys, in this second module we cover two topics: just distribution, how the resources are distributed. As a student of political science or theory, what should we you examine the issues involved in terms of understanding the principle of justice, and about the political philosopher John Rawls and Locke, and then John Rawls theory of justice we have to be learned through the wheel of ignorance. This clear. Very soon we cover our next two topics about the pursuing social justice and state and interference. Clear about the things markets versus state intervention. So well guys, take care of your health and revise these two topics. Thank you so much.